Okay, another fresh arrival. 2019 Chevy Silverado Crew Cab 4x4. This particular one is bright red. It's got new tires on it. You got step bars, you got a tonneau cover, 4-wheel drive, bed liner, tow package. This is the LT model. This thing's in great condition. Gentleman that traded it in, he actually got the car from his dad. So his dad bought the car. He gave it to him. Just traded it in on a smaller new car. This thing is sweet. It's in great shape, well maintained. Regular oil changes. He did the transmission service, all the stuff that needed to be done to keep it in tip-top shape. Again, 2019 Chevy Silverado LT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. It's got the 5.3 liter V8. It doesn't have a 6-cylinder. This one's got the V8 engine, automatic. Show you the inside there, power seat, power locks, windows. Just check that out. It's gonna go through detail, get cleaned up. 182-point inspection. We check it over front to back, side to side, top to bottom, fluids, filters, brakes, tires, all the stuff. Come check it out today. Victory Honda of Plymouth. As always, comes with 2 sets of keys, all the books, 6 oil changes free, lots of stuff. Come see us. Thank you.